Collision regulations. Has 5 parts. Part A, General. Part B, Steering and Sailing rules. Part C, Light and shapes. Part D, Sound and light signals. Part E, Exemptions and annexes. Part A, General. Rule 1. Application. Rule 2. Responsibility. Rule 3. General definition. Part B. Steering and sailing rules. Section 1. Conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility. Rule 4. Application. Rule 5. Lookout. Rule 6. Safe speed. Rule 7. Risk of collision. Rule 8. Action to avoid collision. Rule 9. Narrow channels. Rule 10. Traffic separation schemes. Section 2. Conduct of vessels in sight of one another. Rule 11. Application. Rule 12. Sailing vessels. Rule 13. Overtaking. Rule 14. Head-on situation. Rule 15. Crossing situation. Rule 16. Action by give-way vessel. Rule 17. Action by stand-on vessel. Rule 18. Responsibilities between vessels. Section 3. Conduct of vessel in restricted visibility. Rule 19. Conduct of vessels in restricted visibility. Part C, Lights and shapes. Rule 20. Application. Rule 21. Definitions. Rule 22. Visibilities of lights. Rule 23. Power-driven vessel underway. Rule 24. Towing and pushing. Rule 25. Sailing vessels underway and under oars. Rule 26. Fishing vessel. Rule 27. Vessels not under command or restricted in their ability to maneuver. Rule 28. Vessels constrained by their draft. Rule 29. Pilot vessels. Rule 30. Anchored vessels and vessels aground. Rule 31. Seaplanes. Part D. Sound and light signals. Rule 32. Definitions. Rule 33. Equipment for sound signals. Rule 34. Maneuvering and warning signals. Rule 35. Sound signals in restricted visibility. Rule 36. Signals to attract attention. Rule 37. Distress signals. Part E. Exemptions. Rule 38. Exemptions, Annex 1. Positioning, and technical details, of lights and shapes, Annex 2. Additional signals, for fishing vessels in close proximity, Annex 3. Technical details, of sound signal appliances, Annex 4. Distress signals,